Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you how you can sell your photo in Pixieset online. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword of this platform, Pixieset, click the first website here. You will see this page. In this page, go to dashboard, go to client, gallery, this option. You will open up this page. You will see this collect page. From create a beautiful photo in 3 steps, click get started with simple, write your collect name, for example, coffee. For example, this is collection. And then when you write your collection, write your event date, click next. From this one, my photos, click next, and then choose create a collection. From here, you have private collection customize. And then when you set up your all this option, you can add a media, add a set from this one. Choose a set name, click add media. I upload on my computer photo. This, for example, this photo picture. Just wait to upload your photo from this collection, and then click on preview. Just wait. This is for photos, as I say. You can manage your customize your photo was uploaded, as you can see here. This is your photo, and then click this icon to open your photo. You will see your photo in this section. This is my photo here, and then click share this icon. From the share, you have this link. This is my link album of this paper photo you can use, and you can you have a store, this one for the store. If you want to sell your photo, just follow me in this simple steps. Set up, click set up your checkout. You launch your products from here. Click add, you can add a price from this section. Click this icon. This is for photo, and then click add products. You can add about digital download from here. From this one, digital download, write your download size, high or web, write your name of album here. For example, this is my album name, write your price, for example, $11, and then click save. After that, you will redirect it to this page. This is for the collection, as you can see here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.